Camp NaNoWriMo, April of 2020. So how did I do? Hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, and welcome to my writing studio. I'm a full-time writer, so every month is a Rimo, that's writing month for me. But I did participate in Camp NaNoWriMo this month. If you don't know what NaNoWriMo is, it's a non-profit organization that encourages people to write books. If you want to find out more about it, I'll leave the link to their website in the description below. My writing style has evolved over the years. When I first started writing, I had a full-time corporate job and I was writing part-time. My routine was different, my methods were different. But now that I have transitioned into a full-time writer, so my methods and my process has changed. I write on most days, and if I'm not writing, then I'm doing something related to writing or publishing every day. So I'm not very active in the NaNoWriMo community, but it is quite close to my heart. This is where I discovered this wonderful community of writers and authors, and I wrote my very first novel. And if you're someone who is looking to connect with other writers and authors in your region and globally, do check them out. So now let me take you to my laptop and I'll show you exactly what I had planned for this month and how I did. I have my laptop right here and my planner that I'll be referring to, and I'll show you exactly what I had planned and what I did. My goal for Camp NaNoWriMo April 2020 was to work on the edits for my collection of short stories called Unsaid. If you've been following me, you must have already heard me talk about it. I've been working on this collection of short stories for quite a number of years now. Stories in this collection are quite short, and the entire manuscript is ranging somewhere between 12,000 words. And my aim was to do the structural edits as well as take care of any small grammar and punctuation and those kind of things. I'll share my screen and I'll show you exactly what I had planned to do. This is their website, and my goal was to edit 12,000 words of this manuscript. The final word count is a little over 12,000 words, and I'm very confident that the word count will go up. I'm aiming for somewhere between 15 and 17,000 words. There is one story in there that is underwritten to the point that it's just bare bones, and I really want to develop that story a little more. So I'll be fleshing out that story a little bit, so the word count will definitely go up. So I'm hoping it'll be closer to the 17,000 word mark, but I definitely want to go above 15. I don't really pay much attention to the other things that are there in here, like the badges and buddies and all those things. At one point I was quite into these things, and maybe I'll begin to enjoy them again sometime. But right now I'm in such a crunch for time when it comes to writing that I really find it hard to update on time and be diligent with this. That's not on my priority list, so I don't have a lot of things happening on this page. But yeah, I wanted to show you what this website looks like, what my goal was, and how I did when it comes to this site. I have my planner in here, and I don't know how much you'll be able to see. I use a tracker to track my writing sessions. I am not very sure how I'll be using it. It's just something I'm scribbling on right now. I have a few formats that I have in mind, and I've been testing few formats out with the way I want to track my writing sessions. I want to see how much time I'm spending. I also use the Toggle app on my laptop. I toggle myself when I start working if I remember to, but I'm trying to be more consistent with noting it down in my book, just because it's more handy and I'm more of a pen and paper person. So basically what I'm tracking in this planner is the dates that I'm working on a particular project. For Unsaid, I have the dates I worked on and my sprint time, so when I start and when I finish, and what exactly I focused on in that particular sprint. Now since I am in the editing phase, I'm polishing things, so I focus on one story at a time. It's more for me than for anything else. It helps me focus and be more intentional with what I'm doing. I also have another tracker that helps me visually see the days that I am spending on my writing and on which project I'm spending time on. Again, I'm not very strict about it. I don't want to see the whole page colored because I know that on the days that I'm not writing, I'm doing something else. Most likely I'm doing some writing course, or I'm spending my time on the marketing and publishing side of things. So where am I planning to go from here? All the notes that I've made, all the suggested changes that I've marked. Last night I sat and collated everything. There were a few comments that I made that were repeated in every story. So I know that that's an issue I need to fix, not just in one story, but more or less in all the stories. So I want to fix those things. The goal is when I pick up the manuscript again in the next quarter, I know exactly what I need to do then. I'm really feeling confident that by the end of the year, I'll have a good manuscript. My publishing goals for this project is, when I started writing, it was quite different than what I'm planning now. I have two paths that I think I can take. One is I can send some of these stories to magazines and see if I can get them published in some of those magazines, or I can publish them on Amazon either as a collection, all the stories under one name, or I can have them as a series. I'm not quite sure which way I'll go. I want to explore that. I want to take that time. I'm going to spend this year thinking about it, researching things. So that's what I plan to spend my time on when I'm not actively writing or working on my projects. Did you participate in Camp NaNoWriMo this month? What are you working on right now? Let me know in the comments below and I'd love to cheer you on. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, and on this channel we talk about self-publishing, writing and productivity. If you're new to self-publishing, check out this video, and if you like goals and stuff, check out this one. And I'll see you there.